Let's be honest. Wall Street has been keeping a secret from you. They've made you think that investing is some complicated, exclusive club for the super rich, and that you need thousands of dollars just to get in the door. But what if I told you that was a complete lie? What if I told you that for a single dollar, less than a cup of coffee, you could own a piece of the biggest companies on the planet like Apple, Amazon, and Tesla? In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain on the simple $1 strategy they hoped you'd never discover, so you can start building real wealth with the change you find in your couch. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a licensed advisor before making investment decisions. For years, the path to building wealth felt totally blocked for most of us. You'd see a single share of a stock like Google or Amazon costing hundreds, even thousands of dollars and think, yeah, that's not for me. It felt like the best opportunities were locked behind a gate you couldn't afford to open. Meanwhile, any money you do have just sitting in a savings account is losing a slow-motion fight against inflation. It's like a tiny leak in your tire, slowly deflating the value of your hard-earned cash. The old rules said you had to pile up a ton of money before you could even think about investing. Well, those rules are officially broken. The secret is something called fractional shares, and it's a total game changer. Think about it like this. Imagine an expensive, popular stock is a whole pizza. In the old days, you had to buy the entire pizza, even if you just wanted a single slice. But with fractional shares, you can now buy just one slice for a tiny fraction of the price. So if a share costs $200, you don't need $200 anymore. You can buy 1% of that share for $2, or an even smaller piece for just $1. This single idea completely shatters the biggest barrier for new investors, making the stock market open to absolutely everyone, no matter what your budget looks like. It flips the system on its head, taking the power from Wall Street and putting it right in your hands. And no, you don't need a finance degree to figure this out. It's unbelievably simple. First, you need a place to invest. Just open an account with a modern brokerage that offers fractional shares. Tons of popular commission-free apps like Fidelity, Robinhood, and Webull let you do this right from your phone in minutes. Second, pick what you actually want to own. You can go for individual companies you already know and love. We're talking giants like Apple or Tesla. Or here's an even better move for beginners. You can buy a tiny piece of an ETF, which stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Think of an ETF as a pre-made basket holding hundreds of different stocks, like an S&P 500 fund. Buying a piece of one instantly diversifies your money, which is a brilliant way to lower your risk right from the start. Third, and this is the magic part, you decide on a dollar amount, not a number of shares. Instead of trying to do weird math in your head, you just tell the app, I want to invest $1 in this. The platform handles all the calculations and gives you your fraction of a share. That's it. You are now officially an investor and a part owner of a major company. Here's where it gets really powerful. Consistency. That $1 might not feel like a big deal, but what about $1 every single week? Or 5? This is a strategy called dollar cost averaging, where you invest small, regular amounts no matter what the market is doing. It helps smooth out the ups and downs and builds your wealth at a steady pace. Picture this. You decide to invest just $5 a week. You could put $1 into Apple, $1 into Amazon, $1 into Microsoft, and the last $2 into an S&P 500 ETF. Just like that, with pocket change, you've built a diversified portfolio that would have been unthinkable just a few years ago. And yes, you even get paid dividends based on the fraction you own. Over time, thanks to the magic of compound growth, these tiny, consistent investments can explode into a serious nest egg. $1 a day, invested over 40 years, could potentially grow to over $190,000. Okay, let's be real for a second. Every single investment comes with risk. The value of your stocks can go down, and they can also go up. Just because you can buy a stock for $1 doesn't mean it's a guaranteed lottery ticket. The market will have bad days, bad weeks, and even bad years. The key is to think long-term. Don't panic and sell everything the first time the market gets shaky. History has shown us, time and time again, that the market eventually recovers and continues to grow. Your goal here isn't to get rich overnight. It's to build real, sustainable wealth over time. The biggest lie Wall Street ever told was that you had to be rich to get rich. That is officially no longer true. For as little as $1, the door to building your financial future has been kicked wide open. You can own a piece of the world's most innovative companies and start building wealth today, $1 at a time. The barrier is gone. The only thing standing in your way is taking that first step. So, are you ready to start? Download an app like Fidelity or Robinhood, pick your first stock or ETF, and invest your very first dollar. Let me know in the comments what your first $1 investment is going to be. And if this video helped you out, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button for more secrets to help you build your wealth.